everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This is Janelle Ocloo of Lojo Immigration, where we provide you with confidence and clarity with immigration legal matters. Okay, today's video is about paying immigration filing fees. Okay, so as I often say, leave your comments and questions down below. I'm going to take a look at them and I will address them in a video. And so that's what I'm doing. I saw a comment about someone who said that unfortunately his case was rejected because the check for the filing fees bounced. Oh no. Okay. So a few tips. Few tips. One is be very careful about your mode of payment for those filing fees. So I often get the question, does immigration accept personal checks? And the answer is yes, they do. You can pay for filing fees with personal checks, but make sure that you have enough money in your bank account to cover those, because immigration filing fees can be very high. For naturalization, you're looking at $725. For adjustment of status, you're looking at about $1,225. So unless you're someone who regularly has a lot of money in your bank account where if 1,000 or 2,000 goes out, it's not that big a deal, you want to be careful. Okay, and one way that you can do that is for the filing fees to provide either a money order or a cashier's check, so that basically the money is already there and you can be assured that the check is not going to bounce. Okay, when you're providing a money order or a cashier's check, because if you're in the circumstance where you're checking your balance every day, or you're feeling a little bit nervous about, well, what day is USCIS going to process the payment, and will my direct deposit from my employer have come in at the time, and all of that. If that's the situation you're in, then really it's best to use a money order or a cashier's check. And yes, credit card is also an option. Okay, credit card is also an option. USCIS announced that they do accept credit card payment for most application petitions and immigration petitions and applications. So you can use a credit card. If you are using the credit card authorization form, please be very careful that you put the exact number, that you don't transpose any of these numbers, that it's not going to cause the payment to fail. Because unfortunately, if the payment for the filing fees does not go through, USCIS is going to reject your filing. Okay, and for many of these immigration cases, the timing is so important, particularly if you're looking at cases where you're extending your status or changing your status, even sometimes adjustment of status. For some cases, it requires that you be maintaining your status at the time that you file. And sending in a petition or application that gets rejected, the weeks it takes USCIS to send it back to you, by the time you resend it, if you have fallen out of status, then that is just going to completely mess up your immigration status. So please don't let that happen to you. Okay, so be careful and remember these tips from Lojo. Okay, so if this has been useful to you, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and network, and as always, leave your comments and questions down below and I will address them in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Bye.